Cash App avoids phone support primarily for security reasons. Phone lines are vulnerable to social engineering attacks, where scammers can manipulate users into revealing sensitive information. Social engineering includes techniques like phishing and impersonation, which are much easier to execute over phone calls compared to secure digital channels. By focusing on digital channels like in-app chat and email, Cash App can better verify user identities through secure authentication methods and prevent fraudulent activities. Additionally, their support model is designed for scalability to handle a rapidly growing user base. Cash App reached over 50 million users in 2025, making digital support more efficient than phone lines. This exponential growth in users requires a support system that can scale efficiently without the resource-intensive nature of phone support. For more complex issues that can't be easily resolved through the in-app chat, you can email Cash App support at support@cash.app. Be sure to include detailed information about your problem and verify your account details. You might need to upload screenshots. Cash App maintains an active presence on X, formerly known as Twitter, with the handle Cash App. Here, you can reach out publicly for assistance with general inquiries and questions. This serves as a moderated forum where the support team addresses common topics and provides updates. But it's important to note that this is not a direct hotline or instant support channel. For example, during service outages or new feature announcements, the Cash App team uses this platform to communicate directly with users. As of 2025, Cash App has surpassed 50 million users, demonstrating the scale of their community engagement on social media. However, for security reasons, you should never share sensitive personal or financial information on social media. All private account details should be handled through official in-app channels only. Cash App is increasingly using AI and automation to handle support queries. In mid-2025, they rolled out an AI-powered chatbot within the app, integrated with their help center. These AI chatbots can resolve many common issues instantly, such as transaction disputes and account verification. This is a big improvement over previous methods. This helps to reduce response times from days to minutes and improve overall efficiency. According to their 2024 report, AI now handles 70% of support queries. With 2025 integrations including voice-to-text for in-app messages, expect further AI integration in the future. By 2026-2027, virtual assistants could resolve disputes autonomously. Experts predict a 50% increase in AI-driven resolutions by 2030, potentially phasing out email for most users. Looking ahead to the future of Cash App support, the company is heavily investing in AI-driven systems that can resolve most customer queries automatically. This includes advanced chatbots that provide instant responses and learn from user interactions to improve accuracy. In addition to reactive AI support, Cash App is developing proactive features that anticipate user needs. This might include automatic notifications about account security or transaction updates, helping prevent issues before they arise. While these innovations improve support quality, traditional phone support remains highly unlikely. The risks of fraud and social engineering through phone calls are too great, especially given the rising number of scams targeting Cash App users. However, Cash App may explore cutting-edge, blockchain-based verification systems. These could enable secure, voice-enabled interactions that verify user identity through cryptographic methods, potentially offering phone-like convenience without the security drawbacks. As Cash App continues to grow, with user numbers surpassing 50 million, it's crucial to remember that official channels are the only safe way to get support. Stay vigilant against scams, which cost users over $500 million annually, according to recent reports.